Hi everyone, it's Simon Keeling here. Thanks for watching again. Just wanted to bring you up to date on where we go with the forecast during the course of this week. I know it's critical for many of you as to how we see the rainfall during the course of this week. So for Sunday, these are the charts from westwind.ch, the Met Office charts. We've got a prediction of high pressure across the country during Sunday. You'll notice that cold front out to the west weakening as we get through Monday night and in towards Monday itself. The high holds on through Monday, but already out to the west look is developing areas of low pressure. Remember, I've been telling you about this during the course of the week, and notice how that moves in as we get through in towards Tuesday and becomes the dominant feature towards the west of the country. Now let's see how that translates then into conditions during the next few days. This is the precipitation forecast from the GFS model from weatheronline.co.uk, and this looks pretty believable actually for the next few days. This is going to take us through into Sunday afternoon. Now notice this area that it's trying to develop here across the Midlands, South East England and across Scotland too. These are showers that it's trying to develop off. Now I think there could be some isolated showers developing on Sunday afternoon, but it's probably overdone it a little bit. I think if you did get one, you're looking at 0.1, 0.2 of a millimetre at the most, but there is the potential there just for an odd shower to form, probably the heaviest of them or the highest risk across Scotland. Most places though staying dry and fine through Sunday. Overnight into Monday we're dry, and then through Monday itself really a repeat performance. A slightly higher risk of catching an isolated heavy shower during Monday afternoon. It looks to be across the southern Midlands where the highest risk is possible, but I think anywhere across central and northern parts of England as well as East Wales are at risk. Many areas though stay dry, but showers again for these central parts of Scotland. We'll become dry overnight in towards Tuesday with any showers fading away, and then just watch this area of rain as it slips its way eastwards during Tuesday morning, reaching these western coasts of the country during the course of Tuesday, probably becoming quite heavy as it comes up against the warmer air, particularly across Wales and southwest England, although the location of this is still quite uncertain. And then through Tuesday it moves eastwards during the course of Tuesday afternoon, probably not reaching East Anglia in the southeast until late in the day, but you can see here sort of 8 millimetres of rain falling in the 6 hours up to 6 o'clock on Tuesday evening, and I can believe this. I think typical totals between 2 and let's say 6 or 7 millimetres are quite likely. That then slips eastwards, becomes quite thundery and possibly quite heavy in the southeast during the course of Tuesday night, and it really doesn't clear away from northeast Scotland or East Anglia until Wednesday morning. I think there we could see totals of 10 or perhaps even 15 millimetres at times. However, through Wednesday, following in from the west, we see dry weather with sunny spells and just an odd shower coming in, most of them affecting these more western and southern areas, although heavier showers could affect Northern Ireland and western parts of Scotland. And then you'll notice how through Thursday the model again develops some rain during the course of Thursday. I think most of this is going to be showers and tending to come through in the form of troughs along these western coasts of Scotland, western coasts of Wales, southwest England and western Ireland too. So this idea of the weather turning more unsettled is still maintained. And if we take a look at the 10-day forecast for Europe for precipitation, this is the period from today Saturday until next Saturday, and you can see here how the colours are sort of green and blues. Well, that's indicating 20 to 35 millimetres of rain across the British Isles. Notice how over Eastern Europe they've got some really wet weather about to kick off, generally dry down towards the southwest. And then the extended outlook period from Sunday the 10th until Monday the 18th of July looks reasonable as well. I think again we're going to put on another 20 to 30 millimetres over parts of the UK, only 5 to 10 down in the southeast, but across much of Europe you can see there we've got some rainfall falling. And finally the bottom chart here is the percentage of normal rainfall during the period from Saturday to Saturday. Notice how across the British Isles we've got just above normal rainfall, it thinks, for eastern areas and for the west of Ireland, western Scotland too there, 150 to 200%, but generally these greys mean that we're going to get around normal rainfall. Generally drier than normal across France and across southern parts of Portugal and also Italy. Wetter though for northern parts of Spain and I said southern Italy then, didn't I? I meant southern Spain. Wetter for northern parts of Spain and southern parts of France than usual. Similar across Italy and into the Balkans, and across this mass of Eastern Europe here we're going to see rainfall above normal, perhaps as much as 200% of normal rainfall during the next week. Very dry though out towards the east with below normal rainfall here and below normal rainfall across Scandinavia too. So hope that's been useful for you. Have a great weekend whatever you're doing, and thanks for watching. Keep the sun shining.